guys, it's Lily Bakes here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a lot planned for you guys, so make sure you are watching the whole video because there is lots coming up. I am going to college. I'm making lots of cakes, so make sure you watch them because you're all definitely going to love them because I love them, so you will love them. And I'm also going to be going on a drive with Rosie after college, and we go on a little shopping trip, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And before we get started with this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos just like this one. Let's go! These are the cakes that I'm making. Make sure you are watching to see how they turn out because I'm quite excited to see how they turn out. This one is nearly done. These two gonna need a bit more work doing to them. Behind the scenes of making cakes with Lily. I've got a cold as well, guys, so ignore that please. But I'm nearly finished this cake. It's nearly done. Well, not this cake, two cakes. This is how they look at the minute. I'm just going to put on all the rest of the balls, which are in the freezer. And then it'll be done. Here is the other cake. Let me know down below in the comments what cake is your favourite. Now it's time for my day in the life at college. Good morning everyone. So I've just woke up. I'm gonna get up. Start getting ready. So I don't have long until I need to leave. So I like to leave everything to the last minute. The plan for this morning is I need to pick an outfit and clean my teeth and have some breakfast and get ready. I think that's about it really, but I don't have long to do it. I don't know why my hair's gone like how it was, but hopefully if I brush it out it will go back to normal. Oh, I don't know what's going on with it. Oh well. Just see what I can do with it, but it has to be up anyways for college because I'm in the kitchen, so it has to be up. Just gonna put on serum. Can I? Now I'm gonna put on moisturiser. The last thing I'm going to do is my mascara. I've just seen a tracksuit on the floor because Mum put all my new, like my washed clothes on my floor. So I think I'm going to wear that tracksuit. Let me show you it. This tracksuit. I think it's from Ego. So I'll quickly get changed into this and I'll be back with you guys. Now it's time to pack my bag. I don't actually put a lot in my bag, but you'll see what I put in it. Now it's time to clean my teeth. It's usually I would be doing it before, no, after I've had my breakfast, but because I'm having it on the train, I'm going to do it before. So yeah, that's what we're going to do now. And then we're going to leave. I think I'm driving. I'm going to start the car up before everyone gets in. Drive driving done and now I'm at the station. I need to go get on my train. It's coming in like 3 minutes. Just got on the train. And I've got like a long time to go now. So I might watch some Netflix on my iPad. That's why I bring my iPad to watch Netflix. And literally nothing else. This is the breakfast Mum made me this morning. So I'm going to eat this now. So I usually eat on the train because I don't really have that much time in the morning. So I'm going to eat that now because I'm actually really hungry. It's got seeds, grapes, blueberries, granola, yogurt, honey. Guys, it's so cold and raining and wet. I'm waiting for my second train. And then after the train I still have to get a bus. Just got off the train. I'm walking to the bus. I'm on the bus.
Leave in 5 minutes.
Got off the bus. Walking to college now. I'm just walking in. I need to get straight to the lockers and get changed. Well, to because I'm late. Let's go cook some food. Long day in the kitchen. I'm gonna break soon though, I'm pretty sure. Got a break, so I'm going for lunch. Really hungry actually. I'm all done and walking to the bus stop. Hopefully there's a bus coming soon and I have to get the train. But the train will take me all the way back to the station that I need to go to, so I'm not changing anywhere, so that's good. At the station, I'm walking, hair's going on my mouth. The train's already here, so I'm just going to get straight on it and just sit and wait. I'm probably going to watch Netflix again. Just got home. There's like the chickens out. I'm going to see them.
Just let them out.
Rosie's just asked me to go for a drive at first, so I was getting myself ready. Just done really light makeup. And we're going to go. Mum's just told me, so we're going to leave. With Rosie now, we're in the car. We have just got to Tesco's. We're going to go a little Tesco's trip. I need to get some dinner for tonight. So I think that's what I'm going to do. We're in Tesco's. Lily's film. So there's not really many foods that I like, so I got myself these and some apple and strawberries and a Fanta. That's actually all I've got, so hopefully I last from that. Can't really see much because it's quite dark, but I just ate my crisps and now I've got my apple and strawberries that I'm going to eat. It's the next day now and I'm making my friend Emma's, well, her nan's cake. This is how it looks so far. Boom. Nearly done with it. I'm just going to get, I think hopefully the shards are ready. I'm going to get them out and put them onto the cake and just finish it all off. Because she's coming to collect it soon. I've literally just finished. Look how cute this looks. Guys, this is the end of the video and make sure to comment down below which cake was your favourite. You got Katie's, Amber's and then the other cake, and also comment down below what you guys would like to see coming up to Christmas, as Christmas is obviously coming up and I have some ideas planned, but I want to see what you guys think, so let me know down below what you guys want to see from me content wise on shorts and on just YouTube videos and on Instagram, TikTok, whatever. Comment down below so I know. And yeah, that was the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye!